dog acted knowingly.
She called me Miss Apple Master, tell me fantastic. Watching on me back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic, tell me fantastic. Watching on me back, she says I'm Mr. Boom. Smooth, just like a silk. Soft and pretty, up me up like a paint. I'm a lyrical lover. I take nothing to pay with my sex on physique. I know me well, well only oh my, well can't you tell? I'm just like a turtle calling out to Michelle.
Let the dog out. Let the dog out. Let the dog out. When the party was nice, the party was open. If the aisle and everybody's having a ball. If the aisle, I can't know the balance something in Colin. If the aisle and the girls they all respond to the code. A little dog showdown. Who let the dog out? Let the dog out. Let the dog out. Let the dog out. See how little speed both the clothes. She really was a skip cow. Get back off me. That's frumpy. Get back, you be infested mongrel. Gonna tell myself I might know that way. If ya don't drink.
It's okay, mommy. Be nice. London, no.
Man, I'm gonna miss you, Simba. You getting released back to the jungle, King. You ready? Oh, hell no. Hey, yo! So the government was telling me how to get Coco put down, but after negotiating with the prosecutor, he now has to wear this court-ordered muzzle, and he's not allowed within 30 feet of a school.
The hell did he eat? That's tough, bro. Out here shitting bricks. Literally. Oh, hell nah. That boy compensated. Yo, stop playing the rap.
Bro, did you really just bite me, bro? After everything I did for you, I saved you from that shelter. They were gonna put you down. I raised you, I fed you, I gave you everything. Why? What? Damn, my dog really going through a training montage. Dun, 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 head ass.
So I break my leg yesterday playing basketball, and I got this attention-seeking goofy right here pretending he feels my pain, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Get up, bro. You a clown, gang.
Unfortunately, the results came back positive. So either I pay $50 to get you that medicine, or I gotta get you put down. You know, I'm glad you found all of this funny. You could wipe that smirk off your face, because you know damn well I ain't paying shit.
I gotta get up, go to work every single day, fool. You really got left on easy mode, little bro. I really want to stop the... You ever been shot before?
Oh! Well, what is that cat doing?
Alright, let me get this chart. Yes, please. Thank you. I'm going to
Oh, bitch, you got me fucked up. Bitch, I'm gonna go shit. Bitch, 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 bitch.
Are you okay? Take a few steps. Pichao? Pichao?
Meow.
Me.